So for those who don't know, an ozone machine is something that's used for you want to put it in an unoccupied space, and what it'll do is it'll use ozone gas to clean the air and odors in the air of an area, like a house, a room, whatever. So my husband and I actually recently bought our first house, and when we first moved in, it had horrible cat odor because the owners prior did have a cat and just didn't get all those stains out. And we were going to remove a lot of the carpet, but we weren't going to do it right away. So we thought, why don't we get an ozone machine to just really clear this smell out, clear all the odors or anything like that. And we did it, and it worked perfectly. So one of the most important things is when you're using one of these, you do not want to be in the space you're using it in, because it's really kind of cleaning all that air and you don't want to be inhaling like that gas. So that's the first thing. But this one's very simple to use, and it's nice and like lightweight. You can take it with you anywhere. It even comes with its own little bag and stuff like that. And it also comes with this little tab that you can put on the door or house of whatever room, building you're using it for, so that no one enters it and, you know, inhales that gas. So since I can't actually turn this on during the video to show you guys how it looks, I just want to explain it to you. So you'll plug it in, just turn this switch on like that, okay? And the plug-in comes right here and goes into the wall, which it comes with the plug-in. And so the running mode, this will turn, this is based on minutes. So depending on the room size or air quality, you can do more. But if you're unsure, like just start with maybe a lower, like 10, 15 minutes to see how it goes and if it really works and gets everything out that you're wanting it to. But if you're gonna be in a larger room, larger space, like a house, you'll probably wanna do it for more time. And then the nice thing is when this is on, this light will be on, the running mode light. And so that's just good indicator that it's running. And so if someone does accidentally come into a house where it's working, they'll smell that smell and see the machine and see that the light is on and make sure, okay, yeah, this is on, I gotta go, because you cannot be in that space. So I like that they have that, just in case if you are in a house and you see this machine out and then you're like, oh my gosh, because you're worried that it's on, that light will only be on when it's running. So if that light's off, you're good. So if you guys are in the need of an ozone machine, especially if maybe you're in a place that has a lot of different rooms, a lot of different smells, odors that can happen, like schools, stuff like that, an ozone machine would be perfect. So if you guys have been on the lookout for one that is easy to use, doesn't take up a lot of space, and you can just set it somewhere and it comes with everything you need and more, this is the one to get from Amazon.